We'll start by taking our door and door frame out of the box. Once we've done this, we'll take our door off of the hinges and store it properly. All of our interior doors will come with optional thresholds. However, on interior single doors, this optional threshold will come pre-installed and you'll need to remove it if you don't want to use it. We'll set our shims in the lower corners, place our frame on top of those, and secure the frame loosely to our rough opening with a few screws. Make sure that your screws are loose enough to where you can still make adjustments with shims as you need.
With our frame now leveled, plumbed, and securely mounted to our wooden framing, we're now ready to grab our door and hang it on the hinges.
Now we'll put a furniture blanket in place and hang our door. Once we hang our door, we'll check for proper fitment and function and be done. Our new modular system has countless options for different side lights and transoms that you can add to your space. Our specialized hardware makes adding whichever side lights or transoms that you choose quick and easy.
Follow along for more helpful tips, how-tos, and inspiration ideas with Pinkies.